Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have something pretty darn special. This is the 2010 Nissan 370Z Nismo. This is Adam, the owner. There is something pretty unique about this one. That's a factory muffler, right?
It is not. If you cut it off, flip it around, and mold it into a nice bubble, rhyme it with a turbo, and stick it on the exhaust manifold, then yeah, it's factory.
Awesome. So you're saying right about 518 wheel on the
518 was the dyno pull on map 4.
That's awesome.
That's the highest map. The lowest map runs 470 wheel,
which is still a ton. What were these, like 350 stock, give or take?
Crank stock.
Yeah.
All of them on the dyno put like 298 out of the box wheel. Couple of bolt-ons, 330, 340 if you get a good tuner.
Absolutely. On bags.
Yes, sir.
Any other major mods? Because I know you went through the entire list. I am completely...
No. I did white line sway bars front and rear. I have a few Z1 frame braces on the bottom to keep her steady.
Yep.
It does come factory with its own Nismo top and bottom. Even an extra Nismo strut damper in the front and rear. That's what a lot of people like about the Nismo, is to get that extra damper to put it together.
Perfect.
And then just a bigger, fatter tire setup. You know?
Easy enough. 305 Outback, 275 up front. I think.
275. Yep. 305 up back. Yep.
80 millimeter turbo.
I believe so. Yeah.
Yep.
4-inch inlet, 3-inch on the back, all the way back.
Perfect.
Oil fed, coolant fed.
And yes, that is real carbon fiber for you guys watching. That is not an eBay, Temu, TikTok shop special. This thing is built very, very well. And sometimes when I drive project cars, it's very clearly a project. This one is very, very sorted. So, oh yeah, and double Tomeis.
Dual Tomei.
Dual Tomeis, which one Tomei is cool, two just makes it better.
It's actually a Tomei for the new Nissan Z, but because of the same chassis, it literally
works.
bolts up to the
Are you kidding me?
top.
Without any mods?
Yeah, I had no. The only fabrication, they give you a kit to relocate your EVAP canister that sits where the cannon is.
Yep.
And it just relocates it to the middle. They give you a bracket and everything. I only had to drill out one hole to move the bracket a tad bit so my plugs for my EVAP canister could fit.
Yep.
It even gives you a hook to hold the hoses up and everything. It took me maybe 2 hours to put the exhaust on.
That's awesome.
Did it in my garage on 4 jack stands and fired it up, and it sounds awesome.
Sweet. Without further ado, let's shut that hood and take this thing for a ride.
Yeah, let's feel it.
This will be fun. Obviously, true Nismo, so it is numbered in the middle. Oh, it's so cool to see the airbag setup behind.
I plan on doing a different bag setup if I keep the bags, which I'll be able to retain my tank and both pumps underneath where the spare tire went, and it'll hide everything and give me a full trunk.
And then middle button.
Double tap. Perfect. Do its little adjustments.
Bingo.
You click the VDC button, so that way.
I forgot that resets.
Yeah.
What was the clutch again?
It is a Z-Speed 6-puck with a South Bend billet flywheel, along with the C-Mac relocation kit to pull the slave cylinder, the concentric slave cylinder outside, so it doesn't overheat and get gunky and die on you.
Perfect.
I do have poly diff bushings, a diff brace. I have all race fluids swapped out, steel braided brake lines.
Yep.
You know, a track setup.
Race pads.
Yeah, Ray Besto's slotted rotors, track day power stop pads. A lot of Z1 components all over the car. Everything's been done down to torque spec by me and my buddies and a couple of professional shops and a master Nissan tech.
That's all you need.
Car's been in good hands, I guess.
That is beautiful. Awesome. Let's I cannot see a thing. Perfect. Oh.
We got dual turbo smart wastegates on both sides of the cold piping. Team 51R mod, so it's got the cool turbo noises like diesel trucks or.
I know, it's awesome. It's so cool to have the VQ trumpet out back and the turbo whistle up front.
Makes the VQ haters not hate so much.
Absolutely, and it's nice when you figure out how to get these cars to burble. Just tap the gas for a second and it's real. It's not the B58 gunshot tune.
The wet pat, 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 pat.
Yeah.
Zaddy. No, I'm madly in love with this car. It's bad.
You should be.
Thank you.
This thing is just dialed. Does it hook in first or no?
Absolutely. It's usually the reaction everybody has.
Oh yeah. Oh yes, sir. Oh, I'm a fan.
I'm glad, me too.
Oh, it's just so dialed and it just works.
Coming from a guy who races Porsches, it feels nice.
Yes, it sure should.
Oh yeah.
That never gets old.
No.
Oh my goodness.
And it's nice, even like when you're driving around town, you don't even need to like kick it. You can just rest your foot like on the throttle like 25%. And once, this is the beauty of a VHR motor. It just winds out and then the boost just follows it and it just kind of like pulls it. Like just rest your throttle like almost like a little under halfway. And you'll just hear it. So, see how it automatically does it? So when you're driving around town,
You don't need to nail it.
Yeah, you don't have to nail it to move around and scoop. It just kind of...
And it's very, very linear. It's not surgy. It is super linear all the way through the rev band. With an 80mm, it doesn't really fall off at the top end anyway. But there is not a ton of lag either. It just spools up and goes. These VQs are very, very torquey motors from the get-go. So...
throw a turbo on it. Your torque goes from 250 to like 400, depending on your tune and how much boost you're running.
So 2500. There you go.
Oh, and we're running 1050 injector dynamics injectors with Aeromotive 340 liter per hour wall pump, fuel pump, wall pump. Yeah, nice job. Pump your walls. It gives you fuel.
Ah, race clutch.
Yeah.
And then you just... Oh, I love it.
Thank you.
Oh, it drives.
Not
And
bad for bags, right?
No. I think, like I said, I think this is my first time with a car on full bags. I know I've driven one with bags on the rear, but whatever. It still had, it was just basically air support.
Yep.
But this is...
Yeah, I have the, it's got a 30 level dampener. It's got 30 clicks if you went up and down. I have it all the way tight.
As you probably should with something.
It's the way to do it.
Oh, I love this car so much.
Thank you.
Do you have to hold for S mode off?
Hold it, yeah. If you wanted to heel toe it. So
There we go.
There you go. It's a whole new world like a lad without S mode on these things. It's cool sitting in the passenger seat feeling it, you know?
It's not overbearing. It's the tire setup is perfect. It's not I'm going to kill you. It's just good.
Yeah. It's like, you know how you talk about, you know, everyone that's got a naturally aspirated car, you go, man, I wish it just had that like little bit extra to help the motor go faster.
That's what this is.
And this was tuned in mind to have a conservative street tune. Most of these with this setup will hit 604, 615 wheel. You look at Soho sites and stuff, and even guys on pump gas. I saw a guy pump gas at 604, you know, 570 something. This is only 518. This isn't on 10 pounds. These guys are shoving 12 to 13 pounds in these motors with the same setup and even a smaller turbo, and they're getting more boost out of them, which is great. I kind of like the conservative tune. Because I'm not like tracking or gonna do much motorsports with it, this will more or less be my street monster.
Yeah.
You know, I want to get another one to actually track and do stuff with, so this is too nice to toss around a track like that, honestly.
Oh, I agree.
I love this thing too much.
Alcantara wheels are amazing too. They are a terror. They're a pain to keep clean. Mine's an Alcantara wheel, and it drives me nuts.
The 2010s actually don't come with them. The 14s and up do. So,
wheel conversion?
Yeah.
Nice.
Those are pretty expensive from what I understand.
Oh, I wouldn't be surprised. Especially, you know, a lot of these cars, they're affordable performance cars. So what ends up happening is they become beat on, and they get to the third owner, and it's somebody who this is their first car, and they turn it into a drift pistol. These cars are not really appearing much anymore. They're finding clean ones that have been tastefully done like this. It's very hard to come by.
Thank you. My brother and I were actually talking about that on the way to work today. How you don't see many Zs, and when you do, they're, I don't want to use the term clapped out. It's a very general term, and I'm not trying to talk bad about any Z owners, but they're usually like that. Third owner was drifting out, was raced. You know, it's my first stick shift, my first race car. Obviously, it's got some hard miles on it. It's rare that you see decent. Oh, it's so good. Hit it, hit it.
Oh, it's
They're
just
nice.
oh, it's so dialed.
Thank you.
Easy to rev match too.
It is easy to rev match. Nice job, by the way.
Thank you.
Compliments to you. Right, not so bad, right, with those brakes?
Oh, those brakes are dialed.
It's a good setup. Yeah. You know, it's funny, people say the Z1 brake master cylinder brace is a pain in the ass to install, and it is if you don't have the right tools. But I've done a record time of 25 minutes on one. It usually takes people hours to do, and it's a game changer on your brakes. For your master cylinder brace to not just shift a little and just be solid.
Yeah.
Instant bite.
That's the thing. Everybody puts power adders on a car.
That's a cop right there.
Yeah, it absolutely isn't. Shh. It's stock ossifer. Well, that's the state trooper station right there.
True that. I love that 6-buck.
It's gotten somewhat bearable. I'll never.
The harder you drive the car when you move it around like this, it like, I'm telling you, Z's, people say, one guy asked me, he goes, my Z, I drive it really nice, this, that, and the other, and she seems to just like hate me. I said, take her out and beat on her a little bit. He's like, wait, really? Dude messaged me literally the same day, and he said, my car runs so good right now. Z's get mad at you when you treat them like old ladies. They get mad. They want to move. They want to wind out. They want to wake up a little bit.
Oh.
They're much better when they are.
Adam, thank you.
You're very welcome.
This is absolutely amazing.
Thank you for doing this. The first time everyone's like come to me like this.
Oh, absolutely.
This is fantastic.
Hey, you know anyone that has a car, something similar to this, anything modified? Not.
We should get Paul Reedy, that master tech from Nissan I was talking about. He has Z1's prototype twin turbo kit in his 370.
That would be dope.
And he's a master tech, so he's got a lot of knowledge to talk about with stuff too. So
That'd be dope.
I'm sure he would love to do something like this with you as well.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Sweet.
Yeah, I'll find some cool other buddies.
Oh, for sure. But thank you guys so much for watching. Please.
Stop right here. Stop right here. Stop right here. Put it in first gear and put the clutch in. And
You have launch control, don't you?
Just go up. Just do it in the tunnel for everybody here.
I thought you had launch.
Okay. Are you in first? Clutch in.
Yeah. Does S mode need to be on?
Let's try it.
It's on. No, it's not.
Oh.
Now it's on.
Now just hit the gas and leave it in. It should go up.
S. It's rolling. That might be it.
Oh yeah. Try it. There it is.
That's it.
Isn't that nice?
Oh, that's fun. Oh.
I figured you'd like that a little.
Oh, I'd like that a lot of bit. But Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.